Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Lana. Today, my mom is going to make a rose. Hold on. For example, this rose right here. But she's gonna make it out of red hearts. Okay, back to you.
All right.
Bye.
Okay, so y'all heard my girl. We are gonna make these large roses with Dollar Tree foam hearts. I'm using 7 packs of foam hearts, and with these 7 packs, I was able to make 3 roses in different colors. And you can absolutely use more hearts to create a larger rose. For this project, I'm using my hot glue gun and a small iron set at the lowest temperature. To get my rose started, I'm grabbing 2 hearts and glue the bottoms together and let that dry. I'm starting with the heart that's on the top, and starting at one side, I'm rolling it until I reach the center. And then I'm going to take the other side of the heart and just fold that over. I'm going to add some hot glue to glue it in place. Now I'm laying the rolled heart right in the center of the second heart, and I'm going to just wrap the second heart around the rolled one. And I'm going to call this my centerpiece. So now at this point, I'm going to wrap the foam hearts one by one around my centerpiece. I like to find the tallest point of the centerpiece and line that up in the center of the next heart. So I'm laying the centerpiece right in the middle of the new heart and just wrap the new heart around our centerpiece and glue it in place. For the next heart, I'm going to continue this pattern, find the tallest part of the centerpiece, lay that side directly in the middle of the next heart, and wrap. Now I'm going to add an additional step. I'm going to take my iron and very carefully apply some heat to the back of the heart. The foam heart is going to react to the heat and curl backwards, and this is going to start making those hearts look more like petals. So I'm just slowly going back and forth with my iron. Be very careful and start with a little heat at a time. Later on in the video, I do something a little different when applying the heat that saves on time. But when it has a little curl to it, I'm going to lay it down with the curl side down and wrap it around my centerpiece. At this point, you can use this for wreaths or anything you want, but I'm using these Dollar Tree candy canes that I've painted green, and I've cut part of the curved part off. And I'm just going to glue the back of the rose to my cane.